IndigoVision PTZ camera model number BX520-HD camera not working properly? No video output, night vision failure, pan or tilt issues, or complete system breakdown? Don't worry, we provide expert CCTV repair solutions from fault diagnosis to complete restoration. From diagnosis to component-level repair, testing, and quality assurance, we restore your PTZ camera to peak performance. Our process includes diagnosis, component-level repair testing, and final quality check. Expert repair, trusted service, and reliable solutions. Contact us today.